So this is garlic, and we're going to harvest some garlic scapes today. It's not time to harvest the garlic. It's not time to harvest the garlic until actually these leaves will die back. What we need to focus on is what's growing underneath the ground. And right now in mid-June, which is what it is, these things are growing out. This is called a garlic scape, and this is what it looks like when I pull it out. This is the flowering part of the scape. And you can eat this, it's delicious. You can actually make a pesto out of it. So what you do is you'll take these and you can puree them up with some fresh lemon juice, some pine nuts or other nut of your choice, even white beans, and just puree it, a little lemon, fresh lemon juice, salt, pepper, and maybe some cayenne pepper. I'll post a recipe soon. But you just puree them and eat them. But right now what they're doing is they're sucking energy from the root or the garlic bulb, and we don't want that at all. So what you do to harvest them is you hold on at the base of the plant right here by the leaf, and you're just gonna pull until it releases, and that's it. And I'll keep doing that with my other ones. And trying to pull up as much as I can. Sometimes there's a little bit more give and you can pull out more from the inside part of the plant. But today, that's not happening, and that's okay. So this is what you want. They're fortune in the grocery store, but it's super easy to grow your own garlic. You just plant some bulbs, each clove, in the fall, and this is our garlic now, and it'll be time to harvest it in probably about late part of July. And then we'll dry it, and I'll post a video about that too. Thanks.